Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to temporarily close Shopify store. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. In order to close your Shopify store temporarily, open your Shopify admin panel and click on settings and select plan, and here you will find this deactivate option, so click on deactivate. And before you go, review these steps to take before closing your store. You can read this article and it will be helpful. And now select a reason why you are closing your store, continue, and now enter here your Shopify login password and click on deactivate now. So here you can see my store is deactivated, and to reopen my Shopify store I need to pick a plan by clicking here. So this was the way we can close our Shopify store temporarily. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.